Hey everybody, it's Charlie from Daily Motor, and we are so fortunate to head out and run streets of Willow here in a brand new 2022 Porsche Cayman GT4 RS. Without any further ado, we're going to hop right in. We'll do a little bit more of an overview and kind of walk around the car afterward, but we're going to get comfortable and head out. 500 horsepower out of this 9,000 RPM red line. Absolute beast of an engine. I'm just going to kind of shut up and concentrate and let you all enjoy the car here for a little bit, as much as I do. Wow. What a pretty amazing car. It's just getting more and more comfortable with it too, and just kind of feeling the way that it just doesn't give up. It just keeps going faster and faster and keeps accepting what you're giving to it. That's really quite incredible. So we'll catch back up with you all after we've done a few more sessions. We're going to do some recording for the Topher and for Winding Road, and kind of wrap up some of my thoughts on the car. But wow, that's all I can say. Really incredible. So here we are outside the car. This is the Weissach package. So a little bit more of an aesthetic deal here. Some carbon fiber. Kind of the main functional aspect are these blue painted magnesium wheels, center lock of course, and all the carbon fiber bits. Got a full carbon fiber wing. We've been out for 3 sessions now. We're gonna get one more, go out here and kind of just talk about what makes this GT4 RS such a fun track vehicle. and how much fun you can have with them. We've been running hot, hard laps here, multiple sessions, tons of laps. The tires are holding up really well. This Michelin Sport Cup 2Rs, really a good amount of grip still. It's surprising. The brakes have been fine, even though we've been hard on them. The cars are really holding up well. Also interesting that the Turbo S's are holding up so well. It's the first 718 to actually be fitted with the GT3, the 911 GT3's flat 4.liter, making just under 500 horse, 495 horsepower and 335 pound-feet of torque. The only transmission option is the DCT for the GT4 RS, because at the end of the day, if you are trying to get the fastest lap times, you're going to want to have the car doing those lightning fast shifts for you. And yeah, for daily driving or maybe casual track driving type enjoyment, the manual is going to be kind of more preferred for some type of people, but you can't disagree that the automatic's the way to go for pure speed, pure lap times. PDK Sport, loud exhaust, firm suspension. Let's hit it. The really cool thing about the 718 platform is the balance it provides in both approachability for a more novice driver and explorability for you vets out there. There's always more to learn about the car as you push it harder and harder, and as you get out and you'll get around a corner or something like this and you realize, oh, if I let off a little bit earlier, I can settle the front end down and really carve around and then get back on the throttle, and you don't have that aggressive oversteer of a front engine car. Oh my gosh, that sound. Little rev limiter action. Maybe as satisfyingly as some other cars out there. But watch this. do it! Ladies and gentlemen, 2022 718 Cayman GT4 RS. a screaming banshee that just wants to go faster and faster and faster on the track. And it's so competent and capable. It's not a big surprise coming from something out of the RS branch of Porsche, a GT car intended for the track. But I think a lot of people don't realize what it means to have a car at 10/10ths and have a car at the very limit of its grip while doing 100 miles per hour. And the fact that anywhere on the experience spectrum that you are, you can hop into this GT4 RS and have an amazing time doing it. Just a satisfying, visceral time. That's what makes this car really darn impressive. Big thank you to Porsche for bringing us out here and letting us drive this thing only on the track, because that's where this car belongs. I wouldn't be able to tell you much interesting stuff out on the street. But yeah, what a cool experience. So thank you all so much for watching. If you do want to see more track footage, check out the Topher and Winding Road. Track footage on there as well, but it's going to wrap it for me here. We'll see you on the next one. Charlie from Daily Motor, and as always, drive on.